Hello everyone, welcome back to Earth and Space. Today we are going to be talking about a planet that was once called a planet, but now is no longer part of the solar system in our planets. Can you guys guess who or what we're going to be talking about? Correct, we're going to be talking about Pluto. Well, did you guys know that Pluto was discovered in 1930 and that it was actually already a dwarf planet? So it was one when we started it. Later, they found out that it had a lot of similarities with the rest of the planets, so they decided to add it as a planet. Then in 2006, it was again reclassified as a dwarf planet. Pluto does have 5 moons. Let me show you guys all pictures of those moons along with the names of those moons. Pluto is the largest dwarf planet. We do have several others, but Pluto is the largest one. Pluto is one-third water. And Pluto was actually also named by the Roman gods. He was named after the god of underworld. Why is Pluto not a planet? Well, scientifically, it is not a planet because it doesn't qualify with other things that the other planets have. For example, Pluto is a round body. Also, it orbits the sun just like the rest of them, but it crosses Neptune's orb. Not very planet friendly there. Not very neighborly. Being so small, it can clear its path and hence has a very busy neighborhood, therefore violating the definition of a planet. Story time. When I was in college, when I took this class, my professor actually told me about a different reason why Pluto was no longer a planet. So I'm going to go what he said. I'm not going to say it's 100% true. I don't know that. That is something that he told me during the lecture. He said that the reason Pluto was no longer a planet was because one of the scientists had discovered another planet that had everything the same characteristics as planet Pluto. The scientists that are in the board members all decided that they didn't want to add the new discovered planet as part of the planet, which would have made it our 10th planet. But they decided that they didn't want to add that one. Why? Because the scientist who discovered it wasn't very likable among the board members. So they decided not to add it. Well, he fought for it. He said, why isn't my planet a planet if Pluto is a planet? So then they decided to take a second look at Pluto and they ended up calculating that Pluto wasn't really a planet um, and they decided to take Pluto off. So the only reason why Pluto was not a planet besides their scientific proof was because they really didn't like the guy and they didn't want to give him his own planet. I don't know if that's true, guys. I don't know if that story is true. It was told by my teacher, and I'm just going to be telling you guys. Moving into your assignment now. All I want you guys to do for your assignment is draw me a picture of Pluto and then draw draw me a picture of Pluto, add a little bit of color on it, and then I want you guys to just answer the question, why is Pluto not a planet? And add it into your drawing. That is all you guys are going to be doing for the assignment for today. I hope you guys had a lot of fun discovering why Pluto was no longer a planet. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. If you guys do have questions, you guys all know where to go and find me. Other than that, bye guys.